tribe, what's up y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be clearing out some space in the garden. It looks a mess. Y'all see it look crazy. So I'm going to be doing some cleanup today. I am a little behind with getting my seedlings transplanted into the garden. Your girl is working overtime on her health journey, and yeah, that's where I've been, but I'm getting my garden together, y'all. It look crazy out here. So I'm going to be moving some things around, getting rid of just things that I don't need that's taking up space, and planting some seeds and seedlings for this new season that is approaching. You guys, it feels so good outside right now. I love the fall. I love the winter. I mean, it's just, I love it. But you know, the show don't stop just because a little wind blow. You know what I'm saying? We still have some cool weather crops that need to be planted. So that's what we're going to be doing, y'all. Like, what kind of animal? But then I realized it has to be the fish head from the fertilizer that I use when I go fishing. What other animal could it be? Duh. I made some makeshift little boxes for my sweet potatoes, which you see right there. Look, I duct taped them and just, they fall apart. It's a mess. But I'm going to actually transfer my sweet potatoes into here so it's more stable. I don't have to worry about when it rains, it's falling apart and all that. So I'm going to put potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, and I'm not sure what else in these big pots. So that's the task right now, is to transfer all the soil from the small pots into the big pots, so on and so forth. These are my sweet potato slips. I have sweet potato slips all around my house. I have them on my front porch. I have them in my kitchen in glass jars. I have so many sweet potato slips. I can make sweet potatoes for the next 30 years, seriously, from all the slips I have. Then I have this, which the chickens, they basically destroyed all of this. It was a lot more green in here. They came and ate it. And then this is my little makeshift box. I might leave this box like this just because I know it's sweet potatoes in there, because I can tell by all the lining. So I may leave this one alone and just let the sweet potatoes that's in there just do their thing. Hey tribe, it's your girl Leah, aka That Nature Girl. I want to give a special shout out to you for locking in and rocking with your girl. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you can receive notifications every time I post. If you want to support a little further, you can buy your girl a coffee or smoothie or $5. You gonna cause a scene in public for $5? The link is in the description. Thank you guys for locking in. Right now it's really just the maintenance and trying to get some stuff planted for the new season because I am behind. What do you guys think I should put in this box? Comment below. What do you think I should plant here? Should I do beans, peas, winter squash? What? divider on where I want the beans to be placed.